Go ahead and turn it back on, Mom.
It's going right into Auburn.
Yeah, huge.
She got pictures of the sump pump. The sump pump was getting tons of water. Isn't that great?
You know what? That's incredible, Dad. Look at the water coming in that thing.
And here's how we test the depth. This is the slab, the bottom of the slab, and here's the top of the slab in the wine cellar. So we're too good about 4.5, 5 inches.
If you hadn't done this sump thing, we would have been flooded a long time ago. Beautiful water.
Come over here, you can see the waterfall more better.
Wow.
Can you believe that water?
No. I knew it was incredible, but, and then,
That's a natural creek.
yeah, it is. And that's underneath the house.
Underneath the house.
This is where we are. We're underneath the house. I mean, okay. Whoa. Okay, Dad. Where are you?
Under the house, under the kitchen.
Okay. And this is under the house. Oh yeah. That's amazing. And hear that water coming down.
Open that gate and you can take a picture of that. There'll be a few drops coming down, but not much.
Coming down in torrents. This is It's wet here. Wet, wet, wet. Okay, and then we come in, and here's the wine cellar. Here's the wine cellar. And then this is the storage area, and this is area where the sump is around the corner there. So this is kind of a full circle. So that's the river going underneath the house, and that's the tree that Dad trimmed this summer, or just a couple weeks ago, really.
Here. Here.
Smile. It's wet out here. Oh my goodness. Look at it come down. It's like a waterfall.
Coming down in buckets. No wonder I can't see. My glasses are all wet.
Oh, it's beautiful water, but look at, we need it so much. I'm happy we have it, but wow, it's a lot to go through.
You can take a picture of the bathroom window.